open up the engine compartment, raise the hood, and you will find the oil dipstick right here, almost directly in the passenger seat, right behind the radiator. So you're going to pull that dipstick right out. And good news, that's why we're changing it. It's all bent and damaged. Now we're going to just take the new dipstick, place it right in the dipstick tube. Make sure it goes all the way down, right to that last seal. There's 2 seals there. Make sure it sits down in there and is easily come right out.